Bright QT. Every student matters.
Let us start with the example here where height and slant height of a cone are given. Height h is 21 centimeter, slant height, that is L, is 28 centimeter. Find the volume of a cone. So, volume of cone is 1/3 of pi radius square h. Now, I have got h which is given in the question, but r is not given in the question. So, I will use this relationship, r square plus h square is equal to L square, right. I just explained it to you. So, let us put the values and find r. So, r square is equal to L square minus h square. As you can see, we need r square, we do not need r. So, I will directly obtain r square from L square minus h square. So, it is equal to 28 square minus 21 square. Now, if you remember the square of 28, it is well and good. Even if you do not remember, in this case we can do, what we can do is, we can take 7 square common. So, inside it will be 4 square minus 3 square, right. So, it will be easier for you to calculate. So, 7 square is 49, this is 16 minus, this is 9, 16 minus 9 is again 7. So, into 7. So, 7 cube you also know is 343. Now, I have got value of r square here. So, volume of this given cone is equal to 1/3 of 22 by 7 into r square, it is 7 cube, right. So, 7 cube into height, height is 21, okay. So, this will give me 3 into 7 is 21. So, 21 got cancelled here. 22 into 7 cube we already know is 343. So, we just have to multiply 343 with 22 to get our answer. So, it will be 6, 8, 6, 6, 8, 6, 6, 4, 15. So, 5 here, 1 here, 7, 5, 4, 6. 7, 5, 4, 6. Now, let us look at the units. The units in this question are centimeters, right. So, volume of cone will be cubic centimeter or centimeter cubes. This is the volume of the cone, right. Monica has a piece of canvas whose area is 551 meter square. She uses it to have a conical tent made with the base radius of 7 meter. So, this kind of tent she wants to make, okay, with the base radius as 7 meter. Assuming that all the stitching margins and the wastage incurred while cutting amounts to approximately 1 meter square. So, out of the available canvas, 1 meter square is the wastage. Find the volume of tent that can be made with it. So, canvas available for the tent is equal to 551 minus the wastage, that is 550 meter square. And if you look at this conical tent, you see that we only require this curved surface area, right. We require this curved surface area only. So, the curved surface area of this tent will be equal to this area here. I hope you got this point, because we do not require the base while making the tent, we just need the curved portion, right. So, the curved surface area is made up of this piece of canvas. So, the areas have to be equal. So, what is curved surface area? If the slant height is L, curved surface area is pi r L and it is equal to 550 meter square. Radius I already know is 7. So, 22 by 7 into L is equal to 550. Now, 7 can be cancelled. L is equal to 550 divided by 22, right. So 22 into 2 is 44, 11 remainder, so 110. So 22 into 5 is 110. So L is equal to 25 meter. So I have got the slant height now. Once I get the slant height, now I need the volume of the tent. So I would require the height also, because the formula is 1 by 3 pi radius square into height. So I need the height. Let h be the height. So what I'll do is I'll apply Pythagoras theorem to obtain height. H square is equal to L square minus R square. L is 25, so 25 square minus 7 square. So h will be, I directly know because 7, 24 and 25 are Pythagorean triplets. Otherwise what you can do is h is equal to square root of 625 minus 49, that is square root of 576, hence it will be equal to 24 meter. Now that I have got h, I have already got r, so the volume of tent is equal to 1/3 of pi. In this case we will take as 22 by 7 because it is not mentioned otherwise. Radius square, so radius is given as 7, radius square will be 7 into 7 into height. We have calculated the height as 24, right. So this is cancelled, 3 8s are 24, 7 8s are 56. So 56 into 22 will give you the answer. 56, double of 56 is 112. Once again, so 2 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 2, and meter cube is the unit here. It is the volume of this tent.